Good morning, Create Teachers. I wanted to show you how to make an assignment and reuse assignments. So first I'm going to pull up my classroom here. So we're going to go to my sample class and go to Classroom. Okay, I've showed you before how to create materials. Here's reusing posts, quiz assessments, questions. I have not used these before, so you can always play with them and see. So assignments are what we're going to be needing to do. So let's have a tech assignment. Then we're going to go ahead and add something. So we're going to go ahead and add something from our Google Drive. Let's see. There's the recent, upload my drive. So nothing recent I want to add. Go ahead and add from my drive. And I'm going to add something about Ulysses. That was one of my assignments for year 6. And so here students can view. You can click on here. Students can edit. You'll want to use edit if it's something that everyone is going to collaborate on, or make a copy for each student. Okay, so this way each student will get a copy of this Ulysses form. Now here you have sample class, so you can change what class you're deciding to give it to. But this is something that I wanted to show you guys, all students. So I've got 2 students in my class, Tad Jenkins and Test Account. Let's say I only want Tad to see this. I can click on Tad. Or if I have all students, I can take off Test Account. And so that way, if you're wanting to have one classroom that you'll want to give different assignments for, so we can differentiate. Let's say you want to give the strong language learners one thing, you want to give the weak language learners another thing. That way you can keep it all within the same classroom, and different children will see different assignments. Also, just one thing to make sure, Gina wants to be in our classes, and also we should put the mentor in each class. So when you are assigning things to certain students, you want to go ahead and let Gina and the mentor see both of the assignments. That way they know what's going on in the different assignments. So here, so we'll click on that. We just want Tad to see that. The test account doesn't need to do it. You can click how many points it's worth, or you can click ungraded. So you can change it to, okay, 100 points or 50 points, or just keep it ungraded. Here you can give it a due date and a due time. So I'd like him to have this done by tomorrow. Okay, it's going to always have AM and PM, so if you want it in the morning, you need to write AM. It seems to default to the PM. Or maybe because that was in the afternoon, I don't know. So anyway, so here's our topics, no topic, create a topic, or these are the new topics. So we're going to create a new topic. This is Greece. And here's how you can create a rubric, reuse a rubric, or import a rubric from Sheets. I have not used this, but let's just take a look right here. This works just like a Google Forms. So if you're not sure how to use a Google Form, go ahead and take a look at the Google Form video I have. So let's just write a couple things. Thoughtful sentences. So it is worth 2 points. Add levels. Oh, different levels. Okay, so you get 2 points for that. You get 1 point for that. Add some descriptions. Then you can add a second criteria. So this is enough words. Points required, so 5 points. So then it's 500 words. Then we can add another one, 4 points, 400 words, 3 points, 300 words. We just keep going down. Okay, so if we can add another criteria, overall attitude. And so then we can just fill those out like this with different levels. Overall attitude, points required, we'll just go ahead and add the 2 points. Okay, so then we can save that. Let's see, how many points is that total? Okay, so then we can take a look and see what that looks like later. Okay, originality report. This means that Google will basically check to make sure it is not plagiarized. So let's go ahead and just click that. Okay. So we'll go ahead and give him some instructions. Watch movie and follow the instructions on the worksheet. Really pleased that there is spell check here also. And so then we have it, let's say just a tad, a test student. So let's go ahead and assign it. Okay, waiting for it to assign. There you go. So if you see in stream, it is the top one in the stream. So therefore, the kids can go to stream and pick the top one. Again, like I've said many times before, I like looking at the classwork. You can organize this. I can put this, the thing that we're working on at the top. Oh, these ones haven't been, this is at the top. These one has not been put into anything. Okay, I want to put it in something, so I'll go ahead and edit it. Give it a topic. Put it in classwork. Edit this one. Put it in a topic. Okay, now let's say I want to move that up. I move it up. Click and hold. Bring it up to the top. So whichever way you want. I like the most recent things on the top. As I said before in my other video, if you've got a really long thing, it always puts it in the bottom. That bothers me. But anyway, just fix it however you want it. So we've got this assigned. We can view an assignment. Okay. View the instructions. Now we're going to sneak over and take a look at TADS. Here's his new tech assignment. So here's his classwork. Here's the assignment. Sorry, just wanted to see what was going on there. All topics he can look at, or you can just look at Greece. You can just look at classwork. Let's go back all top. Here's his tech assignment. Just go ahead and click here. See what this looks like with the rubric. Sorry, I want to click view assignment. Compare your text with text from the web. Got it. So he can run the originality report himself. Here is his rubric. So he can see how well he's doing out of 2 points, out of 5 points. Okay. I showed you how they work before, so he can just, it's called TAD Ulysses. He can just pick his adventures and write his stories about it. Once he's done with that, then he goes ahead and turns it in. Let's say he's already done with it. He can go ahead and run his originality report. Let's see what that happens. Okay, no clue what that did. So if anyone finds out about the originality report, they can go ahead and let us know. Write a comment on the tech video. Turn in. He's going to turn this in. Now, since the last time I didn't show you anything about rubrics, I'm going to go ahead and take a look and see what that rubric is. So here we got our, this is mine. I'm back to me. That's a little my icon. So let's go ahead. Here's one has turned it in, no one has not, so that way I can see how many kids have turned it in. There's his thing, and there's his rubric. So I can go ahead and pick his sentences are good. He certainly did not have enough words, and the overall attitude was good because he's being kind and allowing me. So he's got 4 out of 9. I can make a comment, write more, and resubmit. So I can return it. And that's how the rubric works also. So that way you can get an immediate feedback with immediate grade. So let's go ahead and go back to me. Make sure I am really in me. Nope, I'm in Tad, I'm not in me. Here it has it here. And there's the rubric. There we go. That's how the rubric shows up. Okay, so I hope you've learned something from this. I did. I've never used the rubric before. It was quite exciting. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.